Welcome guys, so today I decided to do a video a little bit different. I'm gonna show you how is my setup and maybe I can inspire you to adapt or to do on your office desk as well. I personally love something very minimal, very simple and very clean. I believe that less things that I have around me in the space where I'm working, it's better because I don't need to be organizing stuff, focusing on other things. I have less distractions and I can do more stuff. I can get things done quicker. I have a white desk that I loved a lot. We got it from Staples. Huge, but because I'm always editing on a cruise ship or always on the go, I never had the ability or the possibility to have a huge desk like this. I like clean, I like white, and I think it's perfect. We got from Staples as well this light desk lamp, which is very practical. I can turn on and off. I can just plug my phone over here, wireless charger. Amazing. I never had one of those too, and super recommend. You can see that we can control the intensity of the light and the color temperature as well, so it's very nice. I can use as a hair light, I can use as a field light, I can use as a practical, and amazing. We have two of those plants. It's fake plants, but gives a little life to the space. Just a little green, you know. It's white as well. We got two. I need symmetry. If those plants are not even, there is no work. Look at this. Beautiful, clean, symmetrical. Yes. We have this tiny light over here that we can turn on and off with the remote. RGB, practical, and give us a very nice color for the backgrounds, for the videos, and a nice mood at night as well. I love to shoot when it's more like dark because the window is open now, it's very bright, just so you guys can see better. But look, bring this light down and look at this. And we have a Sony TV. I like to keep my computer right there on the side in case I need to do some heavy color grading or some deep stuff. I just look to the side and I make sure that everything is good to go. Because I have a lot of space here with the desk, the TV is all the way back and we got this decoration so I don't scratch the desk too much and gives a little contrast. And I can put my magical keyboard. It's not magical?
Magic
keyboard. And the trackpad as well. As I always like to say, it's good to invest a little bit more money. I'm sure that you're gonna get what you pay for, as you probably saw in my SD card reader review. I'm gonna go straight up. Uni, I'm sorry. Oh, it's expensive, but it's good. Chair from Staples as well. That's my workspace. And one thing that I like to keep up here is a notebook. Sometimes when we want to do some videos, have some ideas, you need to make some notes. I can remember how many times you have this idea or you're thinking about something like, oh, doesn't matter, I'm just gonna remember the next day, and I forget about it. So I like to keep one pen and one pen only, because if you have 10 you're gonna lose 10 and people are gonna take 10, but I just have one. I know when I need one pen, it's gonna be here. That's it. Everything's clean, everything is nice. Over here to the side is not finished yet, but whenever I'm ready to shoot my YouTube videos, I just gotta bring this over here. My mic's gonna be here. Right now it's on top of the camera. I just positioned the camera over there and I'm ready to go. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like and leave your comment down below what you think about the setup. It's very simple, it's very minimal, but I truly enjoy a lot. I can spend hours and hours here, and my fiance can agree with that. What do you think about me using the setup and how is the experience?
He's obsessed with it and he loves it.
Hey.
So he lives here.
I do live here. Thank you very much. I'm sure that in a couple of years we're gonna be able to look back. A lot of things are gonna change, but for now, this is my minimalist, clean, perfect studio, home, office, desk setup for you. Bye.